How do I set employee service eligibility? To start, we will go into the Employee section by clicking on the Employees menu option in the Encore menu. From here, select the employee whose service eligibility you want to modify. Next, click on the Service Eligibility tab. You will see your service list here. If you have not added any services yet, you will need to add those before you continue here. Services can be added under the Services menu option. The employee service eligibility will determine what services the employee is able to provide to clients in the system on the appointment book and in the sales area. If you need to set the eligibility on a specific service, use the search bar to locate it in the list. You can click Show Options to search a specific category of services. You can either adjust the eligibility of each service by clicking on it in the list or by selecting multiple services at the same time. Multiple services can be selected at the same time by holding the Control key on your keyboard and clicking on the services you want to select. If you want to select a group of services that are next to each other, you can do this by clicking on the first service in the group you want to select, push and hold the Shift key on your keyboard and then click the last service in the group you want to select. All services between the selected services will also be selected. You can select all services in the list by using the Select All button. You can then enable or disable service eligibility using the options on the side of the screen. To clear the services that are currently selected, use the Clear Selection button. Special pricing can be set per service for the employee here. This will override the normal selling price of the service that is set in the Services area when this service is assigned to an employee on an invoice. Special booking times can be set per service for the employee here. The special booking time will override the default booking time set in the Services area when this service is booked in this employees column. Once you have finished, click the Save button. If you have multiple employees who use the same service eligibility, you can copy over the eligibility from one employee to another. Select the employee who you want to copy the eligibility over to. Then, use the Copy button to choose what will be copied over. Select the employee to copy eligibility from. You can then select Service Eligibility, Special Booking Times and/or Special Prices. We have now finished adjusting employee service eligibility. Thanks for watching.